What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shunts, man. You watching Shunts TV, and I'm back with another video. But like always, man, before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that post notification button so you do not miss a video. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, man. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, so today I want to bring back something that I started a while ago on my TikTok. If you guys follow my TikTok, if you're an OG supporter of my TikTok, then you probably already seen this, you probably already know. But on my TikTok a while ago, I started a challenge where I was trying to flip $1,000 into $100,000, man. And so I bought a truck for $1,000. You know what? I'm gonna just put the clip in this video, man. All right guys, so I got a new series coming to my TikTok. As you can see, I am currently at the auction. And so what the series is, or what the challenge is, or whatever you want to call it, it is turning $1,000 into $100,000. So what we're gonna pretty much be doing is I bought a car for $1,000, and we're just gonna keep flipping it until we reach our goal of $100,000. This is gonna be a long series. As you know, $100,000 is a lot of money. So yeah, man, it should be interesting, should be motivational, should be helpful, especially if you want to get into you know, selling cars, the used car business. All right, and here it is. This is the $1,000 truck, man. Now, of course, it's not perfect at all, but it was only $1,000. So yeah, I really don't know what I'm getting into with this truck, to be honest. So we're about to try to find out. Of course, it is dead. So yeah. All right. Let's see what we start up. $1,000 truck, man. It actually runs and drives. Hey, I can't be mad. $1,000 truck, bro.
It didn't shift.
So here it is, guys. This is the $1,000 truck, and it was a reason. It was $1,000 for sure. I think the third gear is out in the transmission, but not 100% sure. But it was only $1,000, man. So I could say we could at least try to make 1,500 bucks off of it, you know, something like that. So I don't know, we can make $500 or something. I don't know. Still got a bunch of good parts. Motor still good condition. It actually still drives, just no third gear. So after first and second, it doesn't keep going. I may just try to run it back through the auction, a dealer's only auction. I don't know if it'll be the same one. It might be a different one, close, but we might just run it back and see if we could get, like, you know, $500 or $1,000 or something like that, man. Probably won't be 1,000 just because it's in that condition, but I can see it going. I bought it for 1,000. I can see it selling for at least 1,500 somewhere else, so maybe even more. I am in Texas right now, and they do love trucks down here, so it could even go for more. So we're gonna probably do that and figure out how that goes. So stay tuned for part 2, man. Appreciate it. All right, guys, so as y'all seen, man, I had bought a truck for $1,000, sold it, and I kept repeating that cycle until I got to, like, it was like $4,000, man. So I did it about, I sold, I think, either 2 or 3 cars, and I had got up to $4,000 using that $1,000. Now, instead of kept flipping it. What I did was I bought the car dealership back there, the one that we've been at. So as you know, this is my actual dealership, and this is how I was able to go to those auctions to start to buy the car for $1,000. So yes, I bought the car for $1,000, man. We sold it, we flipped it up to $4,000, and instead of kept flipping it, I started getting busy, man, and I didn't do it. So I wanted to kind of show you guys. I kept getting a lot of comments on my TikTok, on my Instagram, of how to become a car dealer. How much money do you need? How much capital do you need? What is all the fees? How much does it cost? So I kept getting those questions constantly. So what I did was I bought this real. I rented out the shop back there, and I got the LLC. Got all the dealership stuff with the state police. I got an insurance, got bond, and all that. And after I had everything said and done, I had $1,000 left. $1,000 left, man. So that was all the money I had left to start the car dealership, to buy a car. Now, I know what y'all thinking, like, man, it is hard to buy a car for $1,000. How do you buy a car for $1,000? It's really not that hard. It's hard, but it's not that hard, especially with Facebook Marketplace. So that's what I got, man. I got $1,000, and I am going to go out and find a car for $1,000. So of course I'm gonna try auctions, but I want to look at Facebook Marketplace. I want to do something to where it can relate to everyone, because not everyone can go to the auction, but everybody can get on their phone and go on Facebook Marketplace and look for a car, a deal. So that's what I'm gonna do starting this video, man. We're gonna bring back flipping $1,000 into $100,000, man. So I got $1,000, man. Now let's go on Facebook Marketplace and see if we can find a deal. All right, man, so let's look on Facebook Marketplace, see if we can find any deals. I'm just gonna put my screen on the screen. All right, man, so this Nissan Altima 1700, let's see, go through the pictures. Oh, I see why. That's for $1,000 though. That I can fix that, you know. So let's see. Let's read the description though. No problem other than it needs fuel injectors in front alignment. Yeah, nah. That could be a million things. So let's do this. Click here and filter, and I'll go to price. And I'll put our max at 2,500. And then, so I'll look for cars 2,500 and below, and maybe cars that is like 2,500 that's listed. We can try to whittle all the way down to 1,000. So this one here. ABS, what? These power steering camshaft. Ooh. $500. What's wrong with it? Built off alternator. No one to fix it. Yeah, right. 1,500 right here. 2004 Honda. Oh, like shit. Good motor, doesn't need anything but tires, alignment, windshield wipers. It look rough. That's the thing with this, bro. A lot of people just be trying to put off their problems onto you, and you kind of got to read through it. And to look at the car like that, look like junk, to be honest. Trailblazer. This one might be a good one right here. Trailblazer 200. best off from these spark plugs and thermostat. So it is running rough and running hot. Because buying a $1,000 car, I don't want to have to put money in it, another $1,000, because then it's not a $1,000 car anymore. It's a $2,000 car. So, and this is going to be hard, especially because the price point is just so cheap. But it is possible. Like, I done bought cars for $1,000 on Facebook Marketplace a lot of times. So you just have to look, and sometimes you just have to be on there at the right time. Got a big dent in the door on this hollow, but we got a message. Somebody want to look at the car. Hopefully. Don't look like we got any luck right now. Let me keep looking, man.
3 hours later.
All right, man, as y'all can see, I'm at the crib. All right, man, so as y'all can see, I am currently looking on Facebook Marketplace for a $1,000 car. And as y'all can probably see by my face expression, I'm not having too much luck right now, man. This is extremely difficult trying to find a running and driving $1,000 car on Facebook Marketplace, bro. I mean, I searched for hours, literally hours, man, and just haven't really came across anything that seems reasonable. Like, I'm almost to the point of where I kind of want to just give up. And man, I don't know. Like, I'm looking, searching, and I haven't really found that right one. I've seen a few of them that may be a good deal, but it's just always something about it. Like, when you get to read the description, it's either a transmission is bad, or you have to do this to the engine, or do this, or it don't start, or fuel pump, and all this other stuff. And just because they say that in the description does not mean that that's what it actually is. So I don't know, man. I don't know how we're gonna get this done, but I'm not gonna give up, man. So I'm gonna keep looking, man. As y'all can see, I am frustrated trying to find a $1,000 car, bro. Like, this is all crazy, and all these descriptions of these cheap cars for 25 and under are really just bullcrap. They're trying to sell me junk, and I get it, man. It's $2,500 or $1,000, so you're not gonna get much, but truly it is kind of hard right now to find a $1,000 car. But then this happened. All right, guys, so we might be in luck. I think I may have found us a $1,000 car. Now, I'm gonna cross my fingers, man, because it is Facebook Marketplace and there is a lot of scams, as we know, but this one looks promising. So I'm not going to show you guys what it is just yet, because this may not even go through. But I have scheduled an appointment with this guy to go look at this car first thing in the morning. He did say that it's a lot of people that has messaged him on this car, but he promised me, since I was the first one to get him, and like I explained earlier in this video, sometimes, man, you have to have the right timing. And he literally just posted this car 15 minutes ago, and I was the first person to message him. And the good thing about it is he posted it for $1,000. So if it is what he says it is, and it looks just like it does on Facebook Marketplace, we got ourselves a winner, but we won't know until tomorrow. Unfortunately, guys, it will be in the next part of this series. Right now, man, I'm about to go lay down, go to sleep, man, and try to get up first thing in the morning so we can go look at this car, man. So um, that is the end of this video, man. Give this video a big thumbs up, man. Hit the subscribe button, man, and join the grind. Gang, as y'all can see, we're on the grind, man. I've been looking at cars all day, and it is now 12 a.m., bro. And I'm tired, exhausted, and I have to get up in the morning. So, man, peace. I gotta go.